What's up, everybody? So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go fix a spot of fence over in our cow pasture that a tree fell on the other day. Well, it didn't necessarily fall on as much as leaned over it. We got it cut off of it yesterday, and I didn't film that because it was raining and it was just a mess. So what I'm going to go do today is I'm going to grab some staples and tack the top wire back up and make it where the cows can't escape. So stick around. That's where I'm headed. So here's what we're working with. This is on a property line fence, so it's not 100% well maintained, but it's enough to keep the cows in. I need to fix the area from that tree to this tree right here. Put a new T-post, fixing to drive that in. This is the tree that kind of leaned over. When it did, it just pushed the fence in, so I'm gonna fix it up, and I tell you what, I'll just touch back when I get it done and show you what I did. Well, this is what I was able to come up with just quickly. Got 4 strands there. I think I'm going to put a P-post right in here, just to kind of brace that a little bit more. But I think it's looking good so far, and this is just going to be kind of temporary, just something to keep the cows in. Like I said, that tree right there had kind of leaned out, and we cut it down, and we didn't have time because it started dumping rain on us to really fix it back right. So I came back and did this just halfway for today, so we'll come back and do it a lot better later. This is just temporary. Yeah, it's a little warm out here too, kind of sweating, but got it taken care of right in through there. So we don't come over here very much. The cows don't come over very much because there's a lot of stuff over here. So I guess that's gonna be it for today. Well, folks, that's gonna be all for today's video. Got that fence fixed, and fixing to have to run a few more errands right now, but I got it where the cows can't leave home, can't get out in the road and get hurt, so that's all that matters. But if you like this video, please leave me a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, if you'd like to, go ahead and subscribe. It lets me know I'm doing something right. So at any rate, that's gonna be it for today, and I'll see you folks later. Ooh, now my boots are dirty. Ugh. Oh well.